Hi guys, Reshma here once again. Happy festivities. A lot of festivals are coming in. We have just celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi. So festival season आ गया है guys. तो काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं अभी कि फेस्टिवल सीज़न आ गया है एंड देन हम अपनी डाइट कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, और इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू नॉट ईट वेरी लेट एट नाइट, और डाइट कंट्रोल करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, एक्सरसाइज करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है क्योंकि रात पे काफ़ी टाइम देर हो जाती है एंड देन सुबह नहीं उठ पाते हैं एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए। एंड सो वही बेसिकली सारा शेड्यूल गड़बड़ा रहा है, ना डाइट प्रॉपर हो पा रही है, ना ही एक्सरसाइज प्रॉपर हो पा रही है। सो गाइज, yes, we have to consistent whatever we do, but at the same time we have to enjoy our festivals as well. That's what we are, who we are, right? That's what connect us from our grounds. So we can't not enjoy our festivals or not celebrate our festivals. We have to celebrate our festivals with full heart, okay? So that's no doubt about it, but yes, we have to take care of our diet as well as our exercise routine also, and consistency is very important, okay? So here are some tips. So basically what we have to do is get up early, right? Slightly give yourself some time in the morning itself. I know it's a bit difficult, but if you have that clarity in your mind, you can do it. And if you need any help or any guidance, I am here for you, okay? So basically you have to get up little early, keep that time for yourself, exercise regularly, do whatever you like to do regularly, okay? So that's one thing. Then about the diet part, so guys, I already told you have to keep in your food as a variety, okay? So same funda, circadian rhythm follow. Avoid eating after 7 o'clock. If it is not possible at all, just avoid eating any carb. You can just eat vegetables, any source of protein, either vegetarian source of protein or non-veg source of protein, okay? I have already talked in other videos about these kind of source of protein. So the myth is that we only say that protein source is only from meat. That is not at all true. Vegetarian source is as good as non-veg protein sources, okay? So stick to that particular kind of a regime. Follow circadian rhythm, avoid eating after 7 o'clock, and if you still have to eat, avoid totally carb and focus on those parts. And I will say just take one serving. If your plate is full with all those vegetables, meat and all, then don't take another serving. Just stick with one serving. Don't go and if you still feel hungry after that, keep drinking water. Water is life, guys. Water, like, basically it can keep you satiated, and try to eat the food which kind of, and also way healthier version, right? If in front of you gulab jamun is there and also you have a moong dal halwa, so I will say moong dal halwa, right? It's a little good source of protein as well as it will keep you satiated, and it have, as compared to gulab jamun, it has less sugar. But it's okay, guys. Indulgence is also important. It keeps our sanity intact and also our mental health well-being, right? So it's okay to enjoy festivity, and it's required to enjoy festivity, okay guys? So enjoy festivals. Bye bye. I will see you again. If you like this video, comment, share and like. Bye bye.